Truck driver job recommendations. You have to inspect the truck before starting it. You should get enough rest before going out to travel. You should not drink alcohol while driving. You should not talk on the phone while driving. You must take breaks every 4 hours. Should be fit well and on time. You should drink enough water. You must remain alert for any unforeseen incident from the truck or pedestrians. You have to repeat the traffic rules. You should exercise frequently. This for people working from home. You must organize your time well. Your location in your workplace must be comfortable. You must take activity breaks. You should be in well-lit place. You should sit in comfortable positions. You should wear comfortable clothes. You must feed on time. You should not use the phone too much. You must dedicate time to your family. You should be in the pleasant and comfortable pleasant place.